Hello, everyone. I'm Kendall.
And I'm Philip, and we're here in Bobby Yard Park in Denver, Colorado.
We are going to go on this crazy journey around the world to share LingoHut. Do you know what LingoHut is? Yes? No? If you don't know what it is, you should know what it is. And if you do know what it is, you know it's the place where you can learn a language for free. But before we go on this journey, we had to do a few things. What were some of the things we had to do, Philip?
Well, we basically decluttered our lives and our daily responsibilities. I even gave up a great job.
He did. He sure did. And how did we do that?
Well, we basically did it by putting everything we had into 4 piles. We had a sell pile, a keep, a donate, and a trash.
We sure did, and most of the things were donated.
They sure were, and it felt great to donate.
So we want to invite you to follow us in our journey and come and join us, make comments, and most important, make sure you subscribe and click the little bell down there.
Right there.
You know you are notified about our next video. And don't forget, come to LingoHut and learn for free. For now, I'm going to say adios. Haz todo con amor.
Totsins!